Hello and welcome. We are proud to show you how we combine the best of automation and handmade quality in our new facility. We're exceeding the projected harvest rate for this sector.
The new alignment protocols are working perfectly.
We're looking at optimal efficiency right now.
Yes, the routing sequence is working perfectly.
Everything seems to be running smoothly according to the projections.
Yes, the precision is exactly where we need it to be.
This automated traceability ensures complete transparency across the supply chain. We know exactly where everything is in real time.
Of the facility. As you can see, our new automated line is fully operational, processing thousands of coconuts daily with the precision our customers expect.
The alignment on those blades is perfect. We're seeing minimal waste. Agreed. Looks like we're hitting peak efficiency right here.
As you can see, the automated preparation stage handles the husking and splitting with incredible precision, minimizing waste and maximizing output. automated pre-processing line handles the coconuts with unmatched efficiency, ensuring quality before they even hit the cracking stage.
We're incredibly proud of this facility. The level of automation here ensures peak efficiency and the highest quality virgin coconut oil. Batch confirmed. The quality meets our standards. From start to finish, every coconut is handled with precision. We are incredibly proud of the quality we achieve here in the final stages. We're incredibly proud of this facility. The automated formulation stage ensures unparalleled precision and consistency in every single batch. As we transition to the packaging stage, you'll see the careful craftsmanship that goes into every single product we make. Confirmation of manufacturing completion received. Excellent work by the entire team, and we are now moving to distribution. Excellent work. These are ready to go.
Our export readiness is unmatched. We've streamlined the process to ensure every product crafted with pride reaches its destination efficiently.
We take such pride in crafting this coconut oil by hand, ensuring the highest quality for you and your family.
We take pride in the quality. If you look closely at the label here, you'll see our commitment. It's simply the best coconut product on the market.
Our entire lineup, from the cold-pressed oil to our new coconut water, embodies the quality and care we put into everything we make. The craftsmanship on these is incredible, and the scent is so natural.
It really captures that handmade quality they were talking about.
Yeah.
This coconut oil is the best I've ever used. You can really tell it's handmade with care.
We take immense pride in the work showcased here today. This is the foundation of our continued success together.
As I step down, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your hard work. This company and our commitment to natural products
As I step down, I want to express my deepest gratitude. The growth of our Coke story, built on quality and pride,